3, 2, 1.
And just like that, we're back with another video. Today we are making lavender and rosemary refresher spray for your natural hair. If that's something that interests you, just keep on watching. This is the rosemary I'll be using. I literally got it from Walmart. It was really cheap, like $2 or $3. And this is what it looks like close up. It literally looks like something from a Christmas tree. So this is the rosemary I'll be using. And these are the lavender flowers I'll be using. I ordered them off of Amazon. They were really cheap. And then I'll let you guys take a look at them. Literally, they're just little lavender flower buds. And yeah, that's what they look like. So that's the lavender and that's the rosemary. Okay, so then I just have a jar, and from there you can literally just stick some rosemary into the jar. I usually do like 1 or 2 buds, and so you stick it in the jar, and I'm only gonna do 1 because it's very potent. And then you're just gonna take some lavender, maybe like a tablespoon, and just sprinkle some lavender in there, and then you're all done. Okay guys, so from here I'm just gonna pour in some boiling water. I actually let this sit a couple days, so this is what it looks like. And I'll give you a closer look. And if you would like to see the different ways that I like to use the lavender and rosemary water, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. If you use this for your hair, I find the best way is to put it into a spray bottle. So here I just made a little funnel. It could have been a lot better, and I'm straining it and pouring it into the spray bottle. So here's the finished product. I have been using it before detangling to moisturize my hair throughout the week and to spray on my scalp to stimulate hair growth. If you'd like for me to show you these and the other ways I like to use it, don't forget to drop me a comment. And if you made it this far, go ahead and comment a diamond emoji, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!